Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to have all of you here with me today. Today I'm going to show you how we can make this set with this funny stitch. Look how beautiful. We are going to make something different. I will give you the step by step and we are going to make this set of a scarf that also could be like a shawl and how we can make them a beanie too with using simple stitches. In this case we are going to use our needles and our hook too. Let's start. Well, the material that we are going to use to make this set of scarf and beanie, we are going to need 300 grams of this material that, as you could see, it's between light and medium weight yarn. In this case I will use 300 grams of this material that has shades of purple, pink, beige and a little bit of red, right? And we are going to use the needles of number 6 or number 5 according how you need, and the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. We are going to start casting on the stitches. For this project we are going to make first the shawl or the scarf, right? We are going to cast on the stitches like this. I know that there are different techniques of how you can cast on the stitches, but to me this is the easiest way, and also with this you won't waste material. So if you were knitting, you see, and you take the loops and you place them in the needle. So like this we are going to cast on 90 stitches. Okay, I will continue until I have 90. Well, at the end, now that we have 90, we are going to start with this stitch. We are going to knit one and pour one. And like this, we are going to alternate through all the row. So we are going to knit one and pour one. Pour one means to place the thread in front and do it like this. You see? Like this until we finish the 90 stitches. And well, the first stitch we are going to pass it through. And then we are going to respect what we made in the last row. So we are going to knit. As you could see, we have this space, and when we pour, it means that we have this thread in front. So we are going to knit where we knit, and we are going to pour where we pour. Could you see? Could you identify it? Well, like this, we are going to continue making several rows. This will be all the stitch, and I'm going to continue until I have 1 meter of long, or according how you need, until you have 1 meter or 1 meter and a half. Okay, so see you there. Well, look, I continue with the stitch and I continue straight. Remember to count that you always have 90 stitches. I already measured and I have 1 meter and a half. Once you have the length that you want, we are going to pin off. Look, we are going to pin off like this. This has to be a little bit loose, okay? Try not to tie too much. Pinned off is like if we were knitting two together, and then the loop that we have, we are going to place it back again with the rest of the stitches. Like this, we are going to continue with all the stitches until we finished, okay? Try to make them loose. Well, at the end, when you finish with all the stitches, we will have this last loop. So we are going to cut and bring this thread through and make a knot right there. Okay, remember to always keep with the shape of the edge and the shape of your scarf. Look how pretty. And well, now we are going to make the decoration and the edge using our hook. In this case, while I make in these first chains, I will take these 2 threads to hide it. So one thread will be the thread that we will use to start, and one thread will be the one that we are going to use to continue. So while we make these 10 chains, I will hide the thread so later we can cut the rest. So you see, so like this we are going to make 10 chains, or if you want later, you can hide the thread that we used to start through the project like you want. So well, we are going to make 3 chains more, and then we will come back into the fourth, and right there we are going to make a double crochet, leaving the last loops in hold. And again we will repeat. We are going to make inside 5 double crochet, also leaving the last loops in hold. And counting the first chains that we made, well, at the end we will have 6 double crochet. With this we are going to make a popcorn. I will show you how. So here we have 5, and we must have 6 loops. So this will be the last one. Okay, here I'm having a little trouble. Okay, we have 6 loops. Then we are going to bring them through and make 1 chain to close. We are going to use our finger to push this this double crochet to pop them out. Then we will make 10 chains. Then we are going to make 3 chains more, and we are going to come back and insert the hook in the fourth. And well, right here again we are going to make the next popcorn, like the one we have just made. We are going to repeat this until in the same row we have 4 popcorn like this one. Okay, so far we have 2. We are going to make 2 more popcorns in the same row, and this will be the decoration of our scarf. So again, I will show you. We are going to break them through and close with 1 chain. Then again we are going to make 10 chains, and we will repeat like this until we have 4 popcorns. Well, look, here at the end I have 4 popcorns, sorry. And in the same row. At the end we are going to cut the thread. We are going to finish the row, as you could see, making a popcorn. We are going to make 1 chain to close, and then we are going to hide this thread through the project using the embroidery needle or the hook. Remember that it's very important that we always hide these threads to make sure that our project won't undo. Okay, so you are going to I don't want that you leave any loose thread. And well, once you hide it, you should hide it a little bit more, but well, I want to show you how it looks once it's finished. So like this we are going to make, like this row we are going to make 4, like these strips we are going to make 4 with 4 popcorns, and then we are going to make 4 strips or fringes with 3 popcorns, and then we are going to alternate again to have 4. Well, I want to show you that I did make 4 with 2. Here I alternate and I'm changing a little bit, then 4 with 4, and then 4 with 3. And this is the decoration for my shawl. And well, to make it even more different, I just put these fringes in one side of my shawl or my scarf, and I didn't put anything in the sides. So like this, and the same way is how I made the set and how I made the beanie. Okay, I used the same colors and I made the same decoration. At the end, well, I just joined all the stitches in the top to close the beanie, and well, I made these fringes in the top too. I hope that you all can make it, and if you can use the needles, well, you can use your hook and making just single crochet, and like this you will have this idea to using your hook. But well, I want to encourage all of you to use the needles and to learn how to. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to give me a like, and to share this video if you like it. I tried to make it as easy as I could. Well, thank you so much for watching until the end. Stay tuned for more. Take care.